Hi guys, welcome to the channel and thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new, welcome. In this channel we share methods on how to make money online. We also share remote jobs. So please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys companies that are currently hiring online tutors. So if you are someone that is passionate about teaching online, then this video is definitely for you. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get straight into it. So the first company is Lingostar, and this is how their website looks like. So here it says, are you ready to increase your earning? Just come and join us. So Lingostar is an innovative online platform that brings high quality one-on-one live classes. They have students all over the world, but it's originally from Singapore. Their students are between the ages of 5 and 13. So here are the requirements. You need to be an English speaker from US, CA, UK and the Philippines. You need a bachelor's degree or above. The peak hours are between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. Singapore time, and then weekends is all day. So you need to have a teacher certificate, that is a 120-hour TEFL certificate, a TESOL, CELTA, etc. If you are struggling to get the teacher certificate, I have questions and answers in one of my videos where I assist people struggling to pass the test to at least get certified. You are also going to need a 1-year online teaching platform experience. It's preferred, it's not a requirement, it's just a preference. So, and then the last one is candidate technology requirement. It's Lingostar app will be used for future classes. So you need to ensure that you have stable internet connection and Intel Core i5 8th or above, and then CPU Windows computer. So here's why you have to join Lingostar. Firstly, they have 6 payment level. The more students you have, the more base pay you get. They have a special bonus for trial class. So you're going to work remote, so you'll be working in the comfort of your own home. Their time is flexible. You get referral bonuses and you will start work immediately. So the application process is very simple. You are going to first fill in your basic information. You just tell them a little bit about yourself. Then there will be a device test. So they're going to test your computer or your internet. And then you will have to send a demo, a short demo showcase teaching skills. And then there'll be training for how to operate their classroom tools. And then lastly they will check your ID, your BA certificate and criminal background record. And then next is Art School, and this is how the website looks like. So this is why you have to teach with Art School. So you'll be teaching motivated learners, and then you'll make your own schedule. So design a curriculum you love and teach the way you want. You're going to earn money flexibly. You will teach online from whenever and set your own prices. So there's no paperwork. You spend time doing what you love, which is teaching. So next on the list is TwinX, and here it says teach English online, the flexible and fun way to teach English online. So this is how the website looks like. So you're going to teach and earn from day one. So they open availability and secure bookings from the get-go. You are going to enjoy high rates of class bookings and all classes are paid. No freebies and trial classes. So it's ultra flexible. You're going to choose your own teaching schedule. You transfer classes to other teachers when life gets busy. And then you will take advantage of the last minute booking opportunities. Third one is that it's simple and fun. You engage with eager adult learners. You're ready to use teaching material provided in every class. There is no certification, no problem. They provide ongoing training. So here's how to apply to become a tutor. So you are going to start your English teacher application in 3 steps. So they only have 3 steps. You will submit your Twitter application and then record your short video tasks and become ready with their onboarding program. Once you get started with the application process, you click on start application. So for more information, you'll go to frequently asked question and you'll get all the answers you need. Then if you're happy, you can go ahead and apply. And then next on the list is BookNook, and this is how their website looks like. So it is an online tutoring company. So they are a K-8 synchronous online learning platform. It is designed to help schools easily implement high-impact tutoring to improve reading and math skills. So to join them, you will click on apply now. So here's why you have to join BookNook. They say you are going to make a meaningful impact. So their district partners identify which student require reading or math support, so yield to the kid who truly need it. So you are going to use a fantastic teaching tool and you will build your own schedule. So they give you a flexibility to set your own schedule. You take your pick of available program and scale your hours up or down when you need to. The next one is my tutor, and here it says work on your terms, become an online tutor. So it's flexible, fulfilling, and fit your schedule. So this is how the website looks like. So here's why you should choose online tutoring. It is a perfect job for student and recent graduates, so you'll gain money and also gain CV boosting and skills. So here is why you have to choose my tutor. You're going to work remote. All you need is a laptop, Wi-Fi, plus no money spent to travel. And then the second one is the fact that it is rewarding. You'll be helping shape the education of school kids who need it the most. And then lastly, you are well paid. So you are going to take home from £12 to 52 per hour with no experience needed. So they're paying very well, to be quite honest. And the next one is Craving English, and this is how the website looks like. They say we are looking for enthusiastic, passionate teachers with a strong love for teaching. If you want to work from anywhere in the world and be part of this tight-knit community, they're excited to get to know you. So this is basically the application form. So there's not much information like the others. So you are going to fill the application form, and then once you're done filling and attaching all that needs to be done, you can send it, or you can send it via email. They've left the email down there. It is jobs@cravingenglish.com. And the next is a TwinX, and this is how the website looks like. And here it says teach English online, join the future of education, be part of our global network of educators shaping the next generation of English learners. So they have 10,000 plus active students, and they pay between $14 to $20 per hour, and on average booking rate in peak hours is about 80% plus. And here's why you have to choose TwinX. You can teach from anywhere, so you can work from the comfort of your own home with the state of the art teaching platform. There is growth opportunities. You can access professional development resources and career advancement paths. And then lastly is the fact that it is a global community, so it connects you with educators worldwide and share best practices. So here is how it works. So firstly, you are going to apply. So you complete the application form and submit in between 1 to 3 minutes video introducing your experience and answering provided questions. And the second step is a practicum. So it's basically questions and answers. You'll teach a 20-minute demonstration class using the provided material, followed by a 10-minute question and answer session with the interviewers. And then the third and last step is that you are going to teach. You'll sign your contract, complete onboarding material to understand their curriculum and student level, then start teaching by offering available time slots for students to book. So here are the requirements. You need to have a bachelor's degree or higher. You need to be a native English speaker. You need to have reliable internet connection. And then the environment, you need like a quiet teaching space with professional background. And then a minimum of 10 hours per week teaching. And then the last one is that you need, the last one is experience. You need teaching experience. That's preferred, but it's not required. And then to get started, you will click on apply now. And thank you so much for watching up to this far. I will see you on the next one. Bye.